Hi everyone, it's Matt McLennan with Kidder Mathews in Tacoma, Washington. I received a question from a client today, and that is, what is the difference between a triple net lease and a modified gross lease? The simple answer is they're actually very similar. Both leases allow you as the landlord to bill back most of the expenses related to your property, most notably property taxes, landlord insurance, and common area maintenance, or CAM charges as we commonly refer them to. And actually both leases allow you as the landlord to bill your tenant back for all of those. The only primary difference being that on a modified gross lease, the actual expenses themselves are all negotiable and set in the lease agreement, whereas in a triple net lease, it just assumes that all of those expenses are passed through unless landlord elects not to. So difference again, triple net bills back everything. Modified gross allows you to bill back everything, but is negotiable and set forth in the lease agreement. So make sure when you're setting up a lease on your commercial property, you're using the right type of form. Typically, triple net leases and triple net lease forms are what we most commonly see. And I hope that helped you out today. Thank you for watching.